Have you ever wondered if life on other planets could be different from what we know on Earth? Imagine organisms made of silicon instead of carbon. It may sound like science fiction, but scientists and astrologists have long been intrigued by the possibility of silicon-based life forms existing in the universe. The possibility of silicon-based life forms existing in the universe has long been a topic of interest among scientists and astrobiologists. While all known, life on Earth is based on carbon, silicon is an element that shares many of the same chemical properties as carbon and is also one of the most abundant elements in the universe. This has led many scientists to believe that it is possible that silicon-based life forms could exist on other planets or moons. One potential candidate for hosting silicon-based life is Titan, a moon of Saturn. Titan has an atmosphere that is primarily made up of nitrogen and methane, with no oxygen present. The lack of oxygen would allow silicon to remain in a liquid state, which would be necessary for it to be a building block of alien life. Additionally, Titan has vast lakes and seas of liquid methane, which could potentially provide a medium for silicon-based life forms to exist. If silicon-based life forms do exist, they would likely be in the form of microbes, as the weaker bonds formed by silicon would make it difficult for more complex organisms to evolve. Additionally, the metabolic processes of a silicon-based organism would be vastly different from those of carbon-based life forms, as silicon does not react with oxygen in the same way that carbon does. It's possible that silicon-based life forms would need intense heat to survive. This would make it more likely that they would be found deep beneath the surface of a planet or moon where temperatures are higher. For example, on Titan, silicon-based life forms could potentially survive close to the moon's core where it's hot. Let's imagine an imaginary scenario where scientists discovered a silicon-based microbe on Titan. The microbe would likely be very small and would have a unique, rock-like appearance. It would be able to survive in the extreme cold and heat of Titan's surface and subsurface. It would also be able to survive in liquid methane. The microbe would not require oxygen to survive, and instead of breathing, it would absorb methane through its silicon-based cell walls. Scientists would be able to study this microbe and understand the unique metabolic processes that allow it to survive in such a harsh environment. They would also be able to study the microbe's genetic structure, which would likely be vastly different from any known carbon-based life forms. The discovery of a silicon-based microbe on Titan would have a profound impact on our understanding of what life can be and how it can evolve. It would also open up new possibilities for the search for extraterrestrial life, as scientists would have to expand their search to include other elements in addition to carbon. In conclusion, while all known life on Earth is based on carbon, the possibility of silicon-based life forms existing in the universe cannot be ruled out. Titan, a moon of Saturn, is a potential candidate for hosting silicon-based life forms due to its unique atmosphere and the presence of liquid methane. The discovery of a silicon-based microbe on Titan would change our understanding of what life can be and how it can evolve, and open up new possibilities for the search for extraterrestrial life. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. See you next time for more interesting content.